This might be one of the slimmest robot vacuums I've ever seen, but somehow it still packs 35,000 PA suction, AI-powered navigation, obstacle climbing, and even a fully automated self-cleaning dock.
This is the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete.
I don't normally do full videos on vacuum cleaner unless I believe in the brand's direction, and Dreame is kind of a legend in this space. So the idea behind it is pretty simple. Super slim, super smart at just 7.9 centimeter thin, this is Dreame's thinnest robot vacuum yet. It is designed to reach places where most other robot vacuums simply cannot reach. It's packing AI omni-side navigation, proactive dirt detection, 35,000 PA suction power, hyper stream detangling brushes, flexi adapt obstacle climbing, and a fully automatic power dock. It's basically a robot vacuum that doesn't just clean your floors, it's designed to automate the entire cleaning process.
So let's take a closer look at the Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete.
Let's start off with unboxing. So inside the box we have the complete automated cleaning system, which includes the robot vacuum itself, water tanks, automatic cleaning solution system, and the full self-maintenance setup. I really like how they have made everything very simple. Now before we get into vacuuming, mopping, navigation, emptying dust, and drying, let's take a look at the biggest standout feature of this vacuum cleaner that separates this compared to the competition, which is its ultra slim design.
So Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete comes with a 7.95 centimeter thin design.
This might not sound like a huge difference, but in the robot vacuum world, this actually makes a big impact. Thanks to its slim design, it's able to slide underneath places where other vacuums don't go. It uses a retractable DTOF sensor system, so when the robot is navigating open areas, the sensor lifts up, scans the room in 360 degrees for precise navigation. But when it approaches low furniture, the sensor automatically retracts down, allowing the robot to slide under and keep cleaning. The other interesting feature is the proactive light dirt detection system. The robot uses a front camera combined with infrared detection lighting to identify dirt more accurately. Thanks to this, it can recognize things like dust, hair, small debris, and even lighter stains. When the dirt is detected, a blue light indicator activates to show it identified something, and then the robot automatically adjusts its cleaning strategy. And if it's a wet stain, it goes into mopping mode. This helps avoid spreading dirt around the house. Now let's talk about the cleaning power.
The Dreame X60 Max Ultra Complete provides up to 35,000 PA suction.
That's strong enough to pick up things like paper scraps, hair, dust from floor gaps, debris from carpet, and even pet litter. But suction alone is not enough, which is something that we see with other vacuum cleaners.
But with Dreame X60 Ultra Complete, there's something different.
They use Hyperstream Detangling Duo Brush 2.0 system, which is specifically designed to deal with things like hair tangling. This system combines two brush types, a brittle rubber brush for hard floors and a TPU rubber brush for carpets. Thanks to this design, it's able to maintain surprisingly 100% detangling efficiency. Now, another problem robot vacuums face is small obstacles. I'm talking door tracks, carpet edges, or anything like a small step.
In order to combat this, Dreame X60 Ultra Complete uses Flexi Adapt obstacle climbing.
This allows the robot to climb obstacles up to 8.8 centimeters. It uses two strategies: synchronized crossing, where both sides lift together to clear the obstacle, or hurdle style crossing, where one side lifts first and the other follows. This actually makes such a big difference when it comes to automated robotic cleaning. And of course, since we're in 2026, robot vacuum cleaners also utilize AI.
Dreame X60 Ultra Complete is very smart because it uses AI-enhanced omni-side system,
which includes two 120 degrees AI cameras that mimic human vision. These cameras generate 3D depth information, allowing the robot to detect objects as small as 10 millimeters. Again, things like cables, toys, small objects, or even flat items on the floor, it can actually see and understand it all. The navigation algorithm responds in just 0.1 seconds, improving route planning speed up to 200%. Because of this, it doesn't bump into things, it intelligently goes around them. And I've actually tested this out multiple times and it's surprisingly accurate. Now we also get a full-on mopping system that uses the Dreame Glide cleaning system. It's got dual rotating mopping pads that spins at 230 RPM. Thanks to this, the robot can actively scrub the floor instead of just wiping it. The mop pads even use thermal technology to stay above 40 degrees, helping remove grease and stubborn stains more effectively. Now, to have a full-on ultra experience of cleaning, it needs a all-in-one power dock. This dock handles most of the robot's maintenance automatically, which means it can refill the water tank, mix cleaning solution, wash the mop pads, even dry them using hot air, and also empty the dustbin. The dust system can store the debris for up to 100 days before needing emptying, so in daily life you rarely need to touch the robot.
So how was my real life experience of using the Dreame X60 Ultra Complete? Well,
I gotta say, it makes things very simple. Once you set up the cleaning schedules through the app, the robot maps your home, navigates rooms, vacuuming carpets, mopping floors, avoiding obstacles, and when it finishes, it returns to the dock to clean itself. It really is a fully automatic cleaning system working in the background. So all in all, considering we're in 2026, vacuum cleaners have to step up their game, and I gotta say, Dreame X60 Max Ultra definitely does that very well. You get ultra thin design, strong suction power, AI navigation, advanced mopping, obstacle climbing, and fully docking automation. So all in all, if you're looking for a vacuum cleaner that handles most of the cleaning work by itself
and has all the latest 2026 features, then Dreame X60 Ultra Complete is something to consider.
it's definitely the most advanced vacuum cleaner that I've tried out. Big thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check out my special link in the description below. Also, do let me know your thoughts about this. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.